Okay. Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to English class. Everyone, open your textbook, page number 16. Come on, open your textbook, page number 16. Make it fast, ma. Did you open? Yes, which lesson I was explaining in the previous class? What is the lesson name? The wise. See here. The wise little mouse. Okay. So what is the name of the boy? What is the name of the boy in the character in this lesson? What is the name? Can you say? Vijay. So, what is the problem of the Vijay? He does not wake up early in the morning, always sleeping at the bed at late morning, right? So, sometimes he skip his breakfast and the dining table and left to school, right? So, his mother, his father, his brother try to wake up him. So, who came to first wake up him? His mother tapped the door to wake up Vijay. Vijay, wake up! It's time to breakfast. Like that, she shouted. Then his father came. He loudly said that Vijay, wake up! Roll on your bed. Like that, his father shouted at him. Then his brother came and he said that wake up, lazy bones! It's time to breakfast. He said that, but Vijay did not wake up. Then who came to wake up him? His little pet. What is its name? Frisky. Frisky the puppy. Who is that? Kitten. Small kitten. Do you know cats? Baby cat is called kitten. So a kitten came. It jumped on the Vijay and it tried to wake up him, but Vijay did not wake up. Then who tried to wake up him? A parrot. A parrot from the cage. It is saying that wake up little boy, wake up, it's time to go to school. Like that, the parrot shouted at him, screeched, the parrot screeched, but Vijay did not wake up this time also. So then who came to wake up him? A small little mouse. Who came? A little mouse came to wake up Vijay. It was traveled onto the bed, then it go to near the Vijay's ear and it said something into Vijay's ear. It whispered. Whispered means say something so that nobody can hear. That means secrets. If you want to say secrets, how will you speak? You will speak like that. You will speak near the ear of your friend and you will speak like a silent manner so that nobody can hear. If you want to speak secrets, you will speak silently, no? So that is called whisper. Like that, one of the little mouse came to Vijay. It was speaking something to the Vijay. So what it said to the Vijay, we will see in the today's class. Okay? Yes, open your textbook page number 17 now. So up to here we have completed in the previous class. Now I am going to explain this paragraph. Okay? So from here I will read first. Then I will go to next paragraph. When all was quiet, out crept a wise little mouse right up to a Vijay's bedroom. He crept up to Vijay's bed onto his pillow and whispered in his ear. Good morning, little boy. Vijay's eyes popped wide open. Then the wise mouse whispered a secret into Vijay's ear. So what happened? One of the wise little mouse crept into the Vijay's bedroom. Then it got up to the bed. Then it go near to the Vijay's ear. And then it said that, good morning, little boy. So when morning, someone will wake up. At that time, what will you say? We will wish like that, good morning. No? Like that. Our small little mouse also came and it wished to Vijay. Good morning, little boy. Like that, the mouse said to the Vijay. Okay? And when he heard, he had a different voice. No? Is it a different voice or not? So before he listened his mother's voice, his father's voice, his brother's voice, and also his pet cat, kitten, small kitten's voice also he can hear. He said meow, meow, like that. So he heard that sound. And then he know the sound of the parrot, right? Parrot also said, wake up little boy, wake up, like that said parrot. He know these are all sounds, but he did not heard before the little mouse sound. Okay, he did not hear that voice. But this time, now the little mouse came, it screeched into his ear, good morning Vijay, good morning little boy, it said. So it is a new voice, he did not hear before. It is a new voice. That's why he opened his eyes widely. He opened his eyes, popped his eyes widely. Then he wake up and saw that who is speaking to me. He don't know who came to here. So he opened his eyes. Suddenly Vijay opened his eyes and saw that who is speaking to me. Then it said that good morning little boy. Who said that? Little wise mouse. And something he speak into Vijay's ears. Whispered. That means he told a secret. One of the secret to the little boy. Who is that little boy? Vijay. So our wise little mouse came to Vijay's bedroom and he wished to the Vijay. Then he spoke something secret, some secret to the Vijay's ears. Okay. Vijay got up and yawned like this. He got out of bed, washed his face, was dressed in a flash. Then he ran down for breakfast, shouting, guess who woke up me? A wise little mouse. He told me a secret. He told me if I knew the value of time, I would not waste my time in bed. So the next moment, Vijay got up and yawned. So whenever the little wise mouse told one of the secrets to the Vijay, the next moment the Vijay woke up on the bed. The Vijay got up on the bed. He was and like that. Like that you are saying when you wake up and okay. So he and next moment he got up from the bed. He got down from the bed. Then he ran to washroom. He will run. Then he washed his face. Vijay washed his face. Then he dressed himself. Then he ran towards the dining room. He ran towards the dining room and he ate his breakfast and he's shouting like this, like this. Guess who woke up me? He saying to his mother, brother and sister was eating breakfast before they went and they were eating the breakfast. So while they were eating the breakfast, Vijay ran towards them and saying that, guess who wake up me? Why? Because before his mother tried to wake up him, he did not wake up. His father also tried to wake up him. Vijay did not wake up second time also. And third time, who tried to wake up him? His brother. What he said? Wake up, lazy bones. He said. But Vijay did not wake up. Then his little cat, little kitten came to wake up Vijay. But Vijay did not wake up. The next parrot was screeching like this. Good morning, little boy. Wake up. It's time to go to school. But Vijay did not wake up. And he's saying that, guess who wake up me? Who wake up me? Guess everyone. Who are everyone? Father, mother, brother, sister are sitting there. Vijay is asking them question. What he questioning here? Guess who woke up me? He was asking the question. Why? Because all the people are sitting in the kitchen room. I mean dining room. They are sitting in a dining room. They are eating. So everyone is sitting in a dining room. Though then who woke up him? Father, mother, brother and sister all are sitting in the dining room. Then who woke up him? Who woke up now? A little mouse. A wise little mouse woke up him. Right? He wants to tell these things to his parents. Okay. So he told it me and who woke up me? He asked the question. Then only he is answering that. Yes, one of the wise little mouse came to my bedroom and it woke up me. Vijay is saying that one of the little wise mouse woke up me. Not only it woke up me, it told one of the secret to me. What secret it told? Do you know that secret? Do you know, children, what secret that mouse told to Vijay? Anybody knows that? No, we don't know that. Why? Because Vijay did not tell us. So what secret he told, we will see in the lesson. He told me if I knew the value of the time, I would not waste my time in bed. What that little mouse told him, that we have to know the value of the time. Okay, everyone have to know the value of the time. If we know the value of the time, we never waste our time, right? Did you understand? If we waste the time, we can't get again. Did you understand? We should not waste the time. Time is valuable. Do you understand? If we waste the time, it will not come. For example, you are going to somewhere. Okay. For example, imagine that you are going to Hyderabad. Okay. So if you get late at home, if you reach the bus stop, what happened? It is late already. 5 minutes late, you reach the bus stop. Will you get the bus? 5 minutes before the bus will be left. Okay. If the bus left, will you get the bus? If you come 5 minutes before, you will get the bus. Okay. There is a chance to get the bus, but you may late. You are late at that time. If you late, you will miss the bus, right? If you miss the bus, what will happen? You have to wait for half an hour again for other bus. So if you reach in time to the bus, what will happen? You can catch the bus, right? Why? Because you wasted the time here. That's why you missed the bus. Sometimes while you are coming to school, what will happen? If you wake up late, if you get ready for school late, then will you miss the bus or not? You also miss the bus. Some of the time you miss the bus. How did you miss the bus? Because you woke up late. You woke up late, that's why you missed the bus. Right? That's why time is valuable. We should not waste the time. Right? From this day onwards, nobody should waste the time. Every minute, every second is valuable for us. So we should not waste the time. We should do our work in time. Okay. You should wake up 6 o'clock, do homework, then fresh up yourself, get ready for school and come to school and do your homework in time, eat in time. Then we can't waste the time. Right? So Vijay smiled at the family and promised them that he would always wake up in time. That wise little mouse had taught him a good lesson. So on the day, Vijay promised his parents what he promised. He always wake up early in the morning. He promised his parents that I will wake up early in the morning and I never waste the time. I never waste the time. Regularly, I wake up early in the morning from this day onwards. Like that, he promised to his parents. Okay? And from that day onwards, he was following the time and he never wasted the time. So, who taught him a lesson here? Who taught Vijay a lesson? The boy's little mouse taught a lesson to Vijay. He told the value of the time. Okay? He told a secret to Vijay. What secret that? Time is valuable. We should not waste the time. He taught a lesson to the Vijay. Now, will you promise me that you never waste your time? Will wake up early in the morning? Will you promise me? Time is valuable, so we should not waste the time. Every day we should wake up early in the morning and we should do all our works in time. Right? Will you do that? Yes, you are the good children. You will follow the rules. Whatever I told you, you will follow that. You should not waste the time. Sit properly. Vaishnavi, sit properly. Yes, on your video, Charantaj, Shrutik. Now, I will explain meanings now. Okay? Write in your notebook. Meanings. Okay? What is the first meaning? Snatch. Snatch. What is the meaning of snatch? Take away suddenly. Take away suddenly. Take away suddenly. Okay? Tap. Act of tapping. End out. a loud cry. Uttered a loud cry. So here listen, snatch means take away suddenly. So here Vijay snatched his bag. So why he snatched his bag suddenly? Why? Because it is getting late. He woke up late. He get ready for school late. So he will miss the bus. That's why he suddenly snatch means suddenly take. That means in hurry worry. In hurry worry he will take the bag. Suddenly he took the bag and ran away for the school. So take suddenly, take away suddenly. Something we should take away sudden manner. Did you understand? And tap means attack tapping. Tapping means by beating. For example, his mom came to woke up him. What should he do? He tapped the door. Tap means like this. We should do like this so that the person will listen us. Okay. Tapping means like this we have to do. Okay. We will tap the door so that those who are inside they will hear us. Right. And next, eldest. Aloud means uttered a loud cry. Eld means shouting. Okay. Shouting loudly. Next, stroll. Stroll means walk leisurely. Walk leisurely. Walk leisurely. That means walk slowly. Okay. Sometimes we will walk, sometimes we will walk very slowly so that that means if we don't want to walk like this. That means walking slowly. Nothing but walking very slowly like this. Okay. So that is called stroll. Did you understand? Walking slowly. Lick. Lick means to pass the tongue over. To pass the tongue over. Pass the tongue over. Lick means cats and dogs will lick us. Okay. They pass the tongue over. That means they remove, they put like this tongue outside. Okay. Like this put and they will snatch our hands and legs. Lovingly, affectionately, they will do that. If they like us, the animals like us, what they will do, cats and dogs, they will lick like this, lick our hands and legs with affectionately. Okay, that is licking. Put the tongue outside and they will lick us. Okay, like how you are eating the ice cream, you know, you will lick the ice cream. Like that, animals also lick our hands and legs. Okay, screech. Screech means here shake. Shriek or shriek cry. Screech means making a noise. One of the noise, the birds will screech. Okay, have you heard the birds noise? How they screech, how they make noise? So that noise is called screech or shriek or shriek cry. Okay, shall I write the first meaning? Have you written, ma? First meaning. Okay. Next, bounce. Bounce means here spring back. Spring back. Bounce means to jump. Okay. If you put a ball, what will happen? If you put a ball to the direction of the ball, what will happen? It will come back to us. Right? Like that means jumping. Okay. Bounce means jumping. Right? Correct. Correct means here crawled. Travel. Okay. Travel means sometimes animals will travel and slowly they are crept onto the something. Okay. Here the mouse crept onto the bed. So that is called crept. Next, where is this? Whisper. What is the meaning of whisper here? Speak softly. Speak softly. Whisper means speak softly so that speak slowly so that nobody can hear us. Okay. If you want to speak secrets at that time, we will speak softly so nobody can hear. Shall I write this? Next, paw. Move suddenly. Move suddenly. Okay. Pop means move suddenly. Okay, right. Right first. I'm writing here. Right first. No? Have you written? Okay. Now I write hard words. That means new word which you don't know that. Reading. Read these words now. Worry. Okay. I will explain tomorrow these hard words. Okay, time is over. And you learn meanings now, which I gave you now. You should learn those meanings. Okay, by heart those meanings. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you.